ice. Anytime you spend more time out on deck, it's just, your odds of getting hurt, go up dramatically. So.
110 miles to the north is the Time Bandit. Captain Andy Hillstrand is fishing on the edge of the ice pack.
Now we're just fishing to try and save our gear from the ice. The slivers are here, which means the main pack's not too far behind it. On the horizon, you see what we call boxcars, which are icebergs with a 10 feet tall, which can destroy your gear, your boat. Pretty serious stuff.
The ice pack dominates Captain Andy's strategy. He's gambling his pots on the grounds close to the ice, based on a belief that crab migrate to the calm waters near the edge, where differing temperatures meet. Andy's been lucky so far, but if he doesn't move his pots faster than the ice pack, he could lose his fishing gear.
Sorry, guys.
We're going to go down, pull our gear one more time, and come back up
You're
here.